My friends, in my 200 3D CAD models, today I will be working on exercise 158, which is an interesting object. We can build half of it and then mirror it over, but it won't help us that much. Let's do it one by one. And let's go ahead and actually put it on the side right here and start with the cube. So we got the cube and we want to build this middle one first. So that middle one is 60 millimeters on side and then 50 millimeter on height. So this is going to be 60 on both sides and 50 on the height. Okay, we got that. It will have 10 millimeter fillet on four corners. Okay, so we got this middle part, and now the top and bottom two flanges, it comes with 4 holes. So what I want to do is, actually I want to place this one at the center. On the position on X, it would be half the length minus, and then Y would be the same, minus 30. So now the axis cross is in the middle and it will help us think. So these two flanges, as I was saying, I can go ahead and actually draw and sketch to do that. So hide this one and draw and sketch on XY plane and come up with a rounded rectangle. That would be the most perfect one with radius of 10. Okay, and this is already centered. I'm going to go ahead and make these two equal. That way it's square, and say one of the sides is 100 millimeter. So it turns out this is not centered. So let's go ahead and center it by making it symmetric. Okay, and then how about these holes? We can place them right now. It is going to be diameter 10 hole, which means radius 5, and we'll do this 3 more times. Cool, we got this, and I think that's, no, there is a bigger hole in the middle. Yeah, let's not worry about it right now. We got that, and I want to extrude that for 10 millimeter downward. Awesome. So here is the fillet and here is the flange. And how about I mirror it over on the upper side? So I can mirror it on XY plane. Actually, that's going to be a problem. But still, let's go ahead and mirror it on XY plane. And then between these two, how about I update the Z? Okay. So I want to say this will go as far as it can go and bring it, so it would be 25, I'm guessing. Okay, yeah, looks great. And then the center hole, we will get it done by a cylinder of diameter 30 and height 100, and see if it is showing in the bottom. Nope, it's not. So we'll probably move it just a tad downward. We got this hole, in our hand. Let's not worry about it right now. These two, so there is this flange and there is that, and that is diameter of 20 inside hole. So we can do that with a tube. So we got the tube, and then inside diameter would be 20 and outside diameter would be 30. Okay. And on the height wise, so from this center to there, it is 80. We will take that 80. Okay, so here's the tube. We'll select it from the tree and transition it, make it flat, just like that, and maybe pull it up, in the middle of this object. I wish I made it centered a bit more. Okay, we will see if it is centered from here. It would be 25 there. And then we have this bigger flange, which we can draw on this directly. That one would be outside diameter 50, inside diameter 20. We draw on this face, we say 2 circles, outside diameter 50, inside diameter 20. I believe that's it. These two actually will be the same point. All right, we got that extruded, so that will be 10 millimeter extrusion, but not forward, backward. I think that's our object. Yeah, that is our object. All we have to do is place all of these in a fusion, and then from that fusion take this cylinder away, and that is our object, but with a small problem. Let's wait on this. So we'll have to make a hole through here too. Another cylinder comes in action with radius 10, height 100, and lay it flat. Okay, let's verify we are at the right. Yep. And maybe we want to make sure it's at the center. Yes, it is. Okay, now I can go ahead and make these two one fusion, and from this fusion to that fusion make a deduction. I think that's it. That is our object. Let's take a look at it by viewing the persistent section cut. And yep, that is our object. It does look like our this cross section. Oh dang, it goes back. Not a problem. We have plenty of room in there. All we have to do is go find that long cylinder, right, and move it backward, just like that. Yes, that's it. That's our object. Well, hopefully you guys liked the process that I built. I know that I could also build this in part design. I just chose part for its more organic way to play around with different objects, different parts. So thank you for that. And if you have any other questions, please let them know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.